Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Mobile. I have with me here gl450. This car is misfiring. So guys, I'm trying to run the scanning so that I know what is the real problem why this car is misfiring. Apart from that, we have some small smoke behind the car. So let me take you back to the engine of the car. You can see smoke. Smoke in the exhaust. So this is smoke. This is the smoke. So guys, let's go. I'll be running diagnostic in this car. I'll be using this small scanner. The small scanner always dictates the particular number that I really want to check. So guys, let's go. The car is rustling, misfiring. So let's read the fourth code. So as you can see, guys, we have random multiple cylinder misfiring. Cylinder 7 detected. Cylinder 2 detected. And intake manifold runner control stop close. That's on the bank 1A. Then we have ignition coil F. Then we have cylinder number 4 misfiring. Alright guys, let me turn off the engine. Let me show you guys what I'll be doing here. Alright guys, I need to take off all this. So I need to take off all this. So guys, why I like Mercedes Benz, the way they count their cylinder, you have to just count it like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, you continue from here. So you start your counting from the bank 1 here. So you count to the end. Then this is the bank 2. Then you continue from here 5, 6. So okay, let's go to the F that the engine is complaining about. Is the system is complaining about coil, ignition coil F. So ignition coil F should be the number 6. So if you go like this: A, B, C, D, E, F. So that's number 6. So ignition coil number 6 here is having an issue, or we'll definitely find out why that ignition coil number 6 is detecting that there is a fault on it. So guys, we'll open the air filter. So let's go. We are trying to take off all these the brackets so that we can open the valve cover. So guys, I will erase the fourth. Then I'll be looking at the I will specifically, especially that one that shows ignition coil F. That is the one I'm gonna be focused on. I will ignore other one that just say misfire of number 2, number 7, number 4, and so on. But the number F coil, so that is the one I'm gonna specify on. So this is where I'll be starting from. So guys, follow me up. Alright guys, let's go. As you can see, even the coil is looking so different here. That is the F coil. So let me take you back to the system. One thing I want you guys to understand: when you have something like misfiring detected on a car, so you see this p0302, that is to show that it's just a normal misfiring. So either from plugs or anything. So then this one, this p0356, so that is the number 6 in that place. As you can see, there is 6 on the last digit number is 6. So which meaning the F stands for 6, the last digit number starts for number 6 also. So then 35 355 start from maybe like cord ignition coils. You understand me? 35, that is 35, 6, that is number 6. So if you have something like 35, 4, that is the number 4. So here we are. Then in the normal misfiring, as you can see in the normal misfiring, we have p0302. In other side, the same thing. So guys, let's go. I'll be erasing the 4th code. So I will do the eraser right now. So erase done. So I will switch off the ignition. Then tackle the number 6. So let's open the number 6. Let's see why. Alright guys, I'll be losing the number 6 coil and also the plug. So we'll be checking. Let's see why the car is misfiring. So here we go. Alright guys, let's go. So this is the number 6 coil here. So we'll be removing the plugs also. So guys, let's go. So we are trying to remove the plugs. Let's see what is the problem with this car, why this car is misfiring. So I think we have a bad coil here. So there's nothing wrong with the plugs. Alright guys, we will return the plug back into the position back. So we'll also check the number 7. Okay, I'll be testing the coil. Okay guys, we just tested the coil. The coil is packing. So we'll check the number 7 and number 2, number 4 for misfiring. Alright guys, so let's check the number 7 plugs. Let's see what is the problem with the number 7 plugs. Okay guys, we are trying to bring out the number 6 plugs. Okay guys, you can see this one has some soaked. That's the number 7. It's totally soaked. So this is the main reason why this car is misfiring. You can see this coil. You can see the plugs, how the plugs look like, soaked wet. Alright guys, so the camera is still well now. So guys, we just replace one of the plug. And if this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Mobile. Subscribe, like my video, share my video. Thanks for watching.